So getting ready to unbox it. Patrick's got his huge Crocodile Dundee knife. Patrick probably doesn't know who Crocodile Dundee is, do you? No, he says no. He's a little bashful. This is from Rock Auto. What did we pay for it, Patrick? I think it's like $350, something like that. Just pull it out, man. Lay it on the ground. All right, that must be, I don't know, the front or the back. It's probably the back, just a guess. This is the front. We upgraded. We got the one that's got the heavy duty matting on the back for the carpet. Hopefully it help do some sound deadening. Yeah, this is the front part. You can see here, this is where your foot's going to go for the braking, gas, and clutch. So far it looks really nice. Like the color. We want it black. So we're going to go ahead and start ripping this Jeep apart. So stand by. All right, here's the directions. We haven't read them yet. It's kind of windy out. And they are there. This is from Auto Custom Carpets, made in the USA. We like that. Again, you can see here it's rockauto.com. So, all right, let's start getting this thing tore apart. Okay, we're just removing the bottom part of the rear seat. I don't know how Patrick did it, but he did it pretty quick, so it must be pretty easy. Is that pretty easy to pull out? All right. Gotta take out. I don't know if you can see it there. There's a bolt. This project is called RockLander. We do quite a bit of rock crawling here in Southern California. We also do camping on the trail, so RockLander sounds like a good name. That's the name of this Jeep right now is RockLander. She's starting to look good. Not, but it's just. Patrick's been doing the driver's seat here. Looks like it's bolted down with 4 bolts. What are they? 14 millimeter? 13 inch? Huh?
13.5 inch.
13 millimeters. Okay, pulling out the passenger seat. There she is. Oh, look at that. Pink tank down there. Okay. And now we got to get ready to take off the center console. So we're going to pull the lid first.
supposed to be 2, but one's missing. So. This is the hard part.
Pull it up and get it. You want to take the light?
Oh, oh.
Oh, no.
Oh, that's why the light don't work.
There's the center console. Found a problem here. Has it broken the wire?
Yep.
Okay, we'll fix that.
Good thing it's a ground wire.
Found a broken ground. That's why the four-wheel drive indicator, shift indicator didn't light up. That's for the rear defrosters. Patrick will make sure that all gets back put together. That way the people in the back, not defroster, but for the rear heaters. That's for the rear heater. Goes to the passengers in the back. And yanking out some of the old carpet. It's a dirty job. Someone's got to do it. Dump that right in the trash can. Pull out all the screws. We can put the carpet kit underneath that trim. Okay, now we're clean. We vacuumed out, and you can still hear the vacuum running, but we vacuumed out the floorboard real good. Now we're just cleaning it. We're using a metal prep with a little bit of rust inhibitor in here to help it. Then we'll put a little bit of paint on it. We'll just rattle can it. Okay, we got this all washed down. Cleaned it all up, vacuumed it, washed it real good. Put a little bit of black paint in here. A little black paint. And that's just a little bit of surface rust. All right, just getting this laid out, cutting out the emergency brake. Here we are, guys. Just getting things cut out for the shifters, emergency brake handle, the bracket for the center console. We just got a lot of trimming to do. So. So there's a lot of trimming and cutting that needs to go on.
That's not how I'm supposed to do it.
What? Yeah, it's all dirty still right now, but there's quite a bit of cutting. You can see how we got it on the underneath the trim. It'll look really good when it's done. We have pretty clean 89. Now you can see here how it all fits. Trimmed up, fitting a little further. Too bad you can't keep them out in that hole somehow.
See, there's a big vent that goes right here. And it's done. Another option is real popular is that straight. I don't like that.
Okay. That's good.
Stick it either like that. So I was thinking lower. Can you see where I think it?
How are you going to run the cables out of the bottom of it?
It's not much I can do.
Really the higher thing you can get it underneath.
Maybe a little. Yeah, you could.